Hello traders, XAU Miner EA. This is an expert advisor running on the XAU/USD pair. The strategy used is the martingale and grid strategy. As an illustration, you can see here every transaction that is opened on the candlestick. The martingale strategy involves doubling the trade position size after a loss. In this strategy, when a trader takes a loss, he will increase the size of his trading position to try to recoup previous losses. In other words, the trader will continue to increase the size of his trading position every time he loses, hoping to get a bigger profit on the next trade. Meanwhile, the grid strategy involves placing multiple buy and sell orders at different prices, with the aim of capturing oscillating price movements. If the price moves up, long positions will make a profit, while short positions will suffer losses, and vice versa if the price moves down. The grid strategy relies on the assumption that the market will move within a certain range, so this strategy seeks to take advantage of repeated price movements within that range. For the default setting, using lots starting from 0.01, the lot will increase by 1.55 in the next open position. Maximum lot setting up to 100 lots. Take profit 200 points. You can also change this take profit setting. For 200 profit points, you get 0.20 USD. By default, the equity stop setting is set to false. This setting is like a stop loss, but is set in the amount of equity. And the rest there are settings use trailing. All settings are turned off. Of course, you can adjust this according to the risks you manage. Exposed trading information. Currently open trades still have a floating loss of 0.6 USD with 0.01 lots opened. Trading history. You can also note here the history of each profit obtained and the lots opened. For 0.01 lots, the gain is 0.20 USD. The biggest loss per one trade is 6.40 USD with a lot of 0.02. And the largest lot from one transaction was 0.14 lots with a profit of 14.91 USD. Terminal, I use version 1380. So that the Expert Advisor can be read in the MetaTrader 4 terminal. You need to put the Expert Advisor file in the MQL4 folder, then the Experts folder. Okay, as usual, you can check the trade-ea.com website page to get the Expert Advisors that I shared. You can use the requirements that I use. Leverage 1-2000 with a capital of $1,000. For broker recommendations, you need to use low spreads, and you can also try a VPS trial for free with low latency specifications. The free broker and UPS registration link is in the video description. Scroll down and click the download button. You can download this Expert Advisor for free. Then I will switch to MQL5 to see the trading results that I have run. This is still in the observation stage. From a deposit of $1,000 profit, generated 110.40 USD. Total equity is currently 1110.40 USD. Trading just lasted 1 week. Maximum drawdown 5.6%. Trading activity 52%. Account growth up 11%. The leverage that I use is quite high, 1-2000. New trading took place in this April. Drawdown of 5.6% if denominated in USD is 60.12 USD. In 1 week, a total of 321 transactions, with a profit ratio of 76%. The average trading duration is 13 minutes. Open buy 74 transactions and open sell 247 transactions. Loss 105 USD and profit 215 USD. Trading history. This is a transaction of martingale and grid strategy. Trading Forex Gold has several advantages, including huge profit potential. Forex Gold trading has a large profit potential, especially due to the fluctuating exchange rates and gold prices. This allows traders to make significant profits in the short term. High liquidity. Forex Gold is a very liquid market, which allows traders to buy and sell assets quickly and easily. This can allow traders to open and close positions easily and take advantage of market movements. Tradable 24 hours. Forex Gold is tradable 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, which allows traders to take trading opportunities anytime, anywhere. Leverage. Trading Forex Gold allows traders to use leverage, which allows them to control positions that are larger than their available capital. It can be increased. Portfolio diversification. Trading Forex Gold can help traders to diversify their portfolio by adding other assets to their portfolio. This can help reduce risk and increase profit potential. Transparency. The gold Forex market is open and transparent, which allows traders to view real-time prices and perform market analysis more effectively. No high transaction fees. Transaction costs in trading Forex Gold are relatively low compared to other assets such as stocks. This allows traders to earn bigger profits. However, keep in mind that trading Forex Gold also carries risks, and traders must always be careful and pay attention to risk management in every transaction they make. Please note, expert advisors are not a guarantee of definite profits, but by choosing the appropriate EA and following good risk management rules, you can increase your chances of profit in Forex trading. Good luck! Thanks for watching till the end.